This all looks like a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk as well. Well, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, and it is our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find there we bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper might look around and see worthless clutter, and to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just help ensure our future. I'm assuming we're all familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker.
Yes.
I thought you might be. Well, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Does everyone know her name?
Rey.
Rey, that's right. And what she has started is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for, and that's why you're all here, to look ahead, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with force flowing between them both. Today you'll all feel that connection. And we'll begin with perhaps the most important part of a lightsaber. Any ideas?
Kyber crystal.
That's exactly right, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade, and you may all know this from some of the greatest Jedi stories throughout history. The blue crystal, like that of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, by many it is called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes and picture it. Hold it in your mind. Which color calls to you? Which color do you see in your mind? Which color is yours? Open your eyes, everyone, and select your crystal. Very good, builders. We all have our crystals. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and place those crystals onto the green crystal holders that you see in front of you. My fellow gatherers are now coming around to prepare your boxes. Boxes with the saber designs that you previously chosen. We'll then be pairing those designs with your crystals to create your hilt. And builders, the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is your center of control. It's also the part that stops your hands from being disintegrated. Quite important. What's on the left there, you have your chassis. The next pieces you'll be using are on the right. That's the activation plates. That will be followed by the grips, emitter, and finally pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your Kyber crystal, you will now choose the individual elements that will make up your saber. The gatherers are here to assist you. So let's build.
Right, sons, and good morning, my friends. My name is Brandon. I'm going to be leading you today. We are going to start with that piece on the far left, this chassis. This is the skeleton of your lightsaber. We're going to take that kyber crystal that you chose. We're going to put it inside that chassis. I find the easiest way to do this is put the point into the top part and then push forward on the bottom to center it in that chamber. Now, if anyone you are having trouble with that, know that this is the trickiest part of building a saber. Excellent, excellent. We're off to a great start. Now, that is okay. So I find the easiest way to do this is this is actually a little pressure plate. So if you push up on this, your face at the top part there, that's going to open you up a little bit more space to get it centered. And then let go once you have that. Perfect. All right, we're going to move on to section 5 on the far end there. Yeah, so choose either of these two sets. They're a matched pair, so take both pieces from the same box. If you look on the inside, you'll see one has a blue square and one has a red square on the inside of it. Your chassis also has a red and blue square on it. So you'll match red to red and blue to blue. Alright, I'm going to have you push up on the switch. For you, that will be the other side, that dewdrop shape. See this one here? Push up on that. Perfect. Press up on that latch. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, my friends, now we're going to move on to the grips. That's sections 1 and 2. Choose any two of these. Any two grips will fit your saber. You'll see on one side is going to be a thicker band of silver metal. You see that? Or for you, it's this thicker band of copper. That's the side that's going to face towards your activation switch. To lock it on, you'll push in and turn. Just push towards your switch and so you want to push in and turn so that it locks on there.
Perfect. Alright, now we're going to come back over to number 1 and 2.
Perfect. Looks like you're feeling it tight. Now you're going to choose another one to go on the opposite side. You'll choose another one to go on the opposite side. Those other remaining three is next up.
This thing goes in first.
Okay. Thank you.
Now once you do have that second grip on, you're going to be moving on to section 3. Choose one of these two emitters. This is where the blade is going to come from on your hilt. So you'll want it to go on the side with the opening. That is going to be the top of your saber. This one just screws right on. Just make sure you're pushing it in as you turn it. That's how it's going to lock on to that. Perfect. Yep, there you go. That should be good. Alright. And then you're going to choose one of these two emitters from section 3. Perfect. Now you're going to choose a pommel cap from section 4. This is going to be the anchor of your saber. Any of those choices. It will go on just like your emitter did. My friend, I'm going to go ahead and do a final check, make sure everything is.
It might not necessarily. It's just how it goes.
I like your decisions here. Alright, final review. This is your activation switch. When somebody says activate, you'll press up. When somebody says deactivate, you'll press down. I'm going to get this extra scrap out of your way. Excellent. So as a review, that's your activation switch. When somebody says activate, you'll press up. When somebody says deactivate, you'll press down. I'm going to go ahead and get this extra scrap out of your way. All set for you.
Make sure it's nice and straight first, and then
Traditionally, the design is sick, right? Is that why you chose it? Yeah, you got a favorite. Okay, yeah, I think people might agree with you on that. Yeah, that's great. Okay, you know this one. Yeah, I like that. Okay,
So just to review, this is your activation switch. When it says activate, you'll press up. That was already up, that's why it wasn't working. When somebody says deactivate, you'll press down. Get some extra scrap out of it.
Congratulations on that, brother. Well done indeed. Very impressive. You're with the ancient design, protection and defense. Why did you choose protection and defense?
Yeah, I agree. It was very cool. I think you were the colours of the resistance, actually. Very brave, around this time on the outpost with all the First Order attention. You haven't been giving you any trouble? No, not yet. Not yet. That's the spirit. Well, this should help if you do get yourself into a tangle, hopefully. What colour crystal did you select? Very good. I like that. Yeah, a more balanced approach there with that design. So nicely done. Fine work there. In fact, fine work all round. Builders, asked you all now. So leave those hilts where they are, and everyone step back. And builders, as you step back, reach out with your minds and feel that connection. Builders, you've all completed your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. It seems like we can continue on now to the next and final stage. Now, builders, as we continue.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take our first step. The final stage is upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Builders, on my signal, you will come forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber, and together we will activate. Builders, are we all ready? Yes. Come forward. Hand on your hilt and activate. Good, now go ahead, builders, and raise your lightsabers. Builders, you have all built lightsabers, just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your sabers, we're pleased to present you with the saber sheath that you can collect as you leave the workshop. Unfortunately, our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. You're all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you built today, and who knows, next time, we may be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate. Thank you all so much. Travelers, you will lead us out. You have the honor, my friend, to be now forward the light sheet. Thank you so much. Congratulations, my friends. Until this fire.